Yes, number 79, we have a disk and we need to look for the magnetic field at the center of the disk. And then if you read there's a radius uniformly charged with a total charge Q. So there's a charge, that's mean we're going to use the density of the charge. That's mean the density of the charge is equal to the charge divided by the area. And then the charge equal PR2 of the area of the disk. And then we're going to use the formula, there's an angular velocity. So the angular velocity equal speed divided velocity divided by r. So we have these two formulas that we're going to use in this of the Biot-Savart law, and it says the magnetic field equal constant multiplied by the charge multiplied by the speed multiplied by the radius divided by 4 pi r square. So from here we can see there's a charge. So the charge, we're just going to replace it with this formula here, and the angular velocity is, we're going to use the radius and the speed for this area here for the angular velocity. So it's going to be the magnetic field equal the constant multiplied by Q multiplied by the angular velocity divided by 4 pi r. Okay, 4 pi r. The constant considers a small bit of charge of dq from the Biot-Savart law, the tiny bit of magnetic field from this charge. Okay. Yeah, exactly. So what are we going to do here? We're going to use the charge density. We're going to replace it in this equation here. So B equal constant, the charge equal the density divided by the area. The density divided by the area multiplied by the angular velocity. And then let's do it again. So multiplied by the density divided by the area, the charge density divided by the area, multiplied by the angular velocity divided by 4 PR2. Actually, it's actually divided by 2 because divided by 2 because of the area here is going to cancel out with the 4 pi r2, so it's going to be divided by 2. Exactly. So right now we can integrate the field strength, so equal density multiplied by the angular velocity divided by 2, and then the field strength, we're going to take out the constant, so that's constant divided multiplied by density, charge density divided by 2, and we know the angular velocity equal, it's multiplied by the angular velocity, and we're going to multiply by 0 and r. So at the end, it's going to give us B equal constant multiplied by the charge density multiplied by the angular velocity multiplied by r divided by 2.